Happy holidays and welcome to BSF Recovery Team. Well, a couple of you fans suggested that I build a gas tank out of cardboard. Not for putting gas in, but for cardboard aided design, CAD. Hey, if you want to see this red wrecker compete in Matt's Off-Road Wrecker Games out in Sand Hollow, Utah, it costs a bunch to get there. We have a way for you to help support us to get out to the Wrecker Games. We have supporter packages, a special t-shirt, limited edition, a Get Hooked hat, Get Hooked hoodie, a bumper sticker, a can koozie, and the same thing for Blondie, because we're planning on bringing Blondie, running or not. So get your merch and help support us to get out to Utah. And if you're there, you can see Blondie and the Red Wrecker compete. If you're not, watch the videos. Well, that seemed like a good idea to me, so we thought we'd give it a try, just to see if it fits, and if it's the right shape and that. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna try and build a fuel tank out of cardboard. So first off, let's see if we have a big enough piece of cardboard. So 14 and 14 is 28, and 11 and 11, 49. Well, not that way. So 30 and 11 and 11, 52. We might have to build this out of pieces. Well, first thing we'll do is we'll start with a square edge. And then we'll measure down 14. That's the width of our box. Then we'll measure down 11. That's the depth of our blocks. Approximately. Then we'll measure down 14 again. And then we'll measure down 11. And we'll measure up 30 inches. Okay. Yeah. Roughly. So 14 by 11 by 30. Okay, now to cap the ends. Keep it square. Got to keep it square or reasonably close. There. There's the main body of the tank. Now we have to build a 15 by 11.5 by 6 inches deep box. Okay, kind of like playing origami. I don't know. You tell me what you think. Oh, we build the box. There. $15 approximately by 15. Uh-oh. I screwed up on my calculations. This only needed to be 11.5 inches. There we go. That's fixed now. Now we got 15 by 11.5 by approximately 6 inches deep. Okay, now we tape them together. Something like that. Okay, let's check. 30 inches long, 30.5. 25.5 inches wide. 14 inches wide. And 11.5 inches wide. 11 inches deep and 6.5 inches. Okay. All right, well, it's a little bit bigger, you know, by 1/2 inch here and there. But if it fits, we have a plan for a tank. You giving me that for the truck? Huh? Are you giving me this for the truck? No? Well, now, should we see if it fits? All right, well, I know before we fit this in here, we got to at least take these two out. There we go. Okay, let's see if it fits. Oh, would you look at that? Yeah, gives us plenty of room for our hoses to come down from our boom. And it's well above the frame. Plenty of room in front. There's a cross member right here that humps up and over. But we have 3 inches from that, and we're off of the angle. And gives us plenty of room for our filler neck. Plenty of clearance here. Yeah, that ought to work. Well, I know this is kind of a short video, But it's the holidays. Merry Christmas, and thanks for watching, BSF Recovery Team. Keep wheeling, be safe out there, and maybe we'll see you in the woods. So, I've got a tranny cooler here. Yeah, that ought to work.